Wait, can you... Hello, this is Phantom Panda, and welcome back to my Skyblock Island. And today I'm joined with Panda Padawan.
Hello.
So, we're gonna probably start by expanding the island a little bit.
Alright.
And maybe trying to, go to the Nether.
Ooh, the Nether.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
I think after rewatching the previous episode that yes, I did forget a diamond down here and a little bit of iron too. Oops. So yeah, and coal. No, yeah, don't want to be forgetting those things. And more coal. And more iron.
Alright, I'm going to get, I'm going to go get some stuff with my voting crate keys.
Same, I'll join you.
Alright.
Because we've been playing some other Skyblocks and we got a bunch of voting crate keys from that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Ooh, I got lily pads.
See what I get. Last time I got basically all spawn eggs.
Yeah.
I got kit tools again, which is very
Ooh, I got
helpful.
kit chain.
Cool. I got an ocelot spawn egg. Cool.
Ooh, so did I.
What?
So did I.
Okay, for some reason it's glitching and...
Oh, I got $1,000 in cash.
Cool.
Alright,
I won Larry. It's like glitching and not letting me see what's happening inside the voting thing.
Really? That's weird.
Alright. I won kit chain. Cool. What's this last one gonna be? I won 16 lily pads. I really didn't get anything extremely good, but I'm just gonna go and sell the lily pads just to get a little bit of money, and then also buy probably 10 lily pads, and then buy some obsidian. So sell. Oh, it costs much more to buy lily pads than it costs to sell them. So I'm gonna sell 16 of them. And then I need to buy some obsidian and flint. So one flint, $6. So I'll get that. Then where's obsidian? It's in here, isn't it? Yeah, there's. And I need 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, okay. I had enough for that. Then go back to my island and we can make a nether portal. That's cool.
Nice. Alright.
The saplings seem to Oh.
Oh no. My bad.
It's okay.
I'm not that good at parkour.
Okay, so we need to, I might get a little bit more stone and just cut ahead when I have enough stone, to just build out a platform. So I made the nether portal and built a platform for it, and now I'm just waiting for some iron to smelt so I can make the flint and steel and light it. So yeah, that's cool. And I just walked right away from my crafting table, like this genius I am. Wait, why do you put a chest there?
Nothing. No reason.
Okay.
Can you edit that part out? It's a secret. Top secret.
Okay. Very top secret now that is going to be posted on the internet for like 10 people. One of them being you and one of them being me, so yeah. There's the nether portal. Should we go in it?
I almost have a, I almost have...
Any saplings gonna drop? Please?
Ooh, Keys playing. I love this song.
What?
Key. It's one of C418's best songs.
Okay. Is C418 your favorite artist?
Yeah.
Oh, the last thing I got was an apple and it just fell over. That's just really sad.
Yeah. Ooh, I'm here at the Nether and it's looking very fine.
Cool.
3 spawners, diamond horse armor, and a horse.
Should I take this back to the overworld?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just need to light this. For some reason it unlit. And here we are. I can't use the spawners yet because I need to make a mob spawner. A spawner? Grinder? Whatever it's called. So, if you see this comment... What are you typing? Why? So, I'm going to... Why did you put a sapling there?
I don't know. I wanted to.
Okay. Fine. That's fine, I guess. What else is there to do? Okay, so, we took a little break, and our trees grew, so that's cool.
Oh.
Yeah, that's fine, it happens. So, hopefully saplings will now drop on my computer. If they don't, it will be annoying.
Yeah, I'll just destroy them.
Okay. I think they can drop because I saw an apple drop earlier. So, yeah. And there's our nether portal, and we got the monster spawners from it. Sure. Here. So, yeah. Oh yeah, I should put... I found an extra diamond down there that I missed. Yeah. So, that's cool. And our wheat grew, so we can do that. If I can break that. Then, just put the wheat, that, and that.
Ooh, a sapling.
Oh, you got it. Oh, cool.
Alright. I have 30 pieces of cobblestone.
Okay, cool. How much iron do we have? Because we need to save up and get enough cobblestone to start building a monster spawner.
Okay.
I don't have a ton. Actually, I don't think do I have any iron? I have 1 iron ingot. And iron costs $319 per ingot.
Wow. Like, is there a way to get it naturally on your island?
Yeah, but I've mined out most of my island. There could be a little bit more, I'll check. But I don't think there will be. Yeah. I'll see. Actually, there could be. Oh, I found a...
Diamond?
Yeah, I found a 5th diamond, so that's cool. Yeah. Yeah, maybe there will be more iron. We'll see. Oh, I just threw my pickaxe on the ground. That's not good. Oh, yep, there's more iron. I just found a piece.
I found bedrock.
Oh, you found bedrock?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting. Can we block up out of the world?
Yep.
Okay. Although this little window's okay, I think, because it's kind of... Okay, so I got 1 more piece of iron, but we'll need 4 hoppers to go out of the world. So
yeah, like I got $1,000 from the.
Yeah, I have 1.2k. So yeah, we can buy a few pieces of iron. Like I can buy 3.
Yeah.
But still, it's not great. So, yeah. Then we're gonna go and... Does it have any more saplings dropped? Let's see.
Yeah, I got 2.
I'm just seeing if any more drop. Yeah, I don't think any more have dropped, but that's fine. I have a few more saplings on.
So how much cobblestone do you need?
To sell to get enough iron, maybe 10 stacks. To build it, maybe another 20 stacks.
Okay.
So yeah, stone. Yeah, I'm gonna make 2 chests, and then so we can store stuff better. Okay. So here's a few more chests that we can use. And then just put a lot of... Actually, I'm gonna put all the... Oops.
Alright, I have a stack.
Okay.
That's why I have all the stones.
I'm gonna put all the, like, the slightly rare / important stuff in our double chest over here. So diamonds, boots, some iron, spawn eggs, monster spawners.
Yeah,
you know.
I have a villager spawn.
Oh, cool. Yeah, can you put that in there? So yeah, we might cut ahead into the video until we've gotten a good bit of cobblestone. So in the interim, we got a bunch of stone, and we also got 6 more iron ingots because they're really overpriced. They're like $319 for one. So yeah. And I'm gonna start making the monster spawner. So it's gonna go. Actually, I need to put some stuff in the chest because again, I do not trust myself with this. Although I really shouldn't put my stone in the chest because that's kind of what I need. Yeah, put all that in there, that in there, that. You know, there's no more space in the chest. So, I think I'm gonna build it, like, a little bit this way from the Nether portal. I want to make this... I just want to make this area a little more safe. No. Oh, I don't have a pickaxe anymore. Darn it.
I'll get it.
Oh, thanks. Just that block of stone.
Yeah.
Thank you. Now I'm just gonna build out a little, like, bridge this way. And then it's gonna end in probably like a 4x4 for the end of the mob spawner. And there's gonna be 4 hoppers and a double chest there that the stuff falls into. In my previous one, I didn't know you could go to the Nether. Alright, I actually never went to the Nether, so I didn't get any of this. I was just making just a normal monster spawner. So here's probably going to be the end of the bridge, and then... Wait, where's that? Oh, the water's from the monster spawner. Oh yeah, just going out there. Okay, whatever. So then, actually, I'll do... I'll do a 6, but actually... No, I'll just break that. It's going to take a while. Oh, well, that's fine. I'll have a lot more stone and then you can come and help too.
Oh, it looks like the lava got out.
Oh, it did?
Yeah. Oh, now there's only one.
Oh.
I'll try to repair that.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah,
I can see the lava coming out.
Alright, I'm not sure how I'll do this. Oh, actually, I don't have /fly.
Oh yeah, I never remember about /f fly. I don't know why. But it is very helpful.
Yeah. There we go.
Okay, cool. So, and there we go, and then this bottom part's going to be empty, but if I can, I'll just go like this, that, and then we can get the one hopper that we do have, or that we can make, I guess. Oh, a sapling fell. That's cool.
Okay.
Why can't I literally walked over the sapling and it didn't pick up. Did you get the sapling, Camden? There's literally a sapling there and it didn't pick up.
Check your inventory.
It's not there.
That's good.
That is very annoying.
I
No,
only have one.
no, I have a sapling.
Oh.
I bought like 8 a while ago.
Yeah.
Okay.
What? How
So,
many?
then this is gonna be. I think it needs to be about 40 blocks-ish tall. Do you know, Camden?
No. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay. Can I grab the stone from your mining?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Fish. The poles go on the other side.
Oh. I think you can tell that.
That is somewhat surprising, then. Oh. Yeah, I'll need to make another pickaxe at some point.
What the hell is that on? Are they like diagonal?
Yeah, they are.
Oh, there we go. My first ever.
Actually, no, I do want that. No, I don't want that there. It just needs to be out in front a little bit. So I'm gonna go. So the bottom two. Actually, no. I want the chest will be there. The hoppers will be. No, actually, I need to. I just need to make a pickaxe.
No. Something got my health, but my hand is off.
Oh, that's annoying.
Hopefully we get an enchanted book.
That would be nice.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really hard to mine things when you're in fly.
Yeah.
It's like if you're mining things underwater. What do you want to do before we end this episode? Should we try and or should we like just get the like tunnel part of the mob spawner done?
Yeah.
Okay. So that is there.
Oh, I got a fish.
So then if I go like that. Actually, no, I want it to be, I don't know. I want it to be a little more kind of not so boxy. There we go. And then if I can just go like and then we need just to test it. So, because I think unless we get an Enderman spawner, it should be the large. It should be the thing with the most health that can spawn would be a spider, or no, I mean a zombie, which has 20, so which is the same as us. So I'm just gonna make it pretty tall, and then we need kind of a big box.
Wow, one end portal is 1.5 million.
Oh my god! Talk about overpriced.
Yeah. Are we ever gonna go to the end?
Oh, that's annoying. Well, we can use it for food.
I don't know why I'll show you more money.
I apologize for the like somewhat long pauses of speaking. But yeah. Oh, the tree just grew. There's like not a huge amount to talk about. Yeah. Do you think this is tall enough, or should I go higher?
I don't know. I'll test it out.
Okay. I might go a little bit higher at least.
Another fish.
Oh come on! I keep placing them here which I don't want to do.
I'll test it out. No, I don't think I'm calling it.
I think you're on. Okay, I don't think. I think you're on. Since you're on fly, that you can't take fall damage?
Oh.
No, not tall enough. Okay. Yeah, so it needs to be a bit taller.
Yeah. You do get really good.
Okay. I have another 9. Problem. Okay. Yeah, this is it so far. You know, I'm just gonna, how do you disable fly?
Just do /fly again.
Okay. I'm just gonna jump down here and die, cause...
Is it high enough?
Yeah, I was at 2 hearts, so...
I got another sapling.
Oh, cool. Yeah. Plant it down.
Yeah. That's 4 of 4. Ooh, 2 more saplings.
Wait, yeah, there's Mr. Nice. It's good. You can put those in the chest.
Ooh, another sapling.
Wow, that's good. Wanna see if my luck's as good as yours. Yep.
Oh, this was really nice. Another sapling.
Oh my god. This is a good tree.
Yeah.
5 saplings. And I wish this would stop turning to ice, so... Yeah.
Yeah. I tried to stop it by placing a torch there.
Yeah, I placed torches there before and it just didn't work. I don't know why.
I think it's because we're so high up.
Yeah, probably.
Alright.
So, is there any... Oh.
I just died in the spawners so.
Okay.
Alright.
Is there, oh wait, were you holding the spawners or not?
Oh, no, I didn't have the spawners.
So, in between episodes, we'll try and get a lot of cobblestone. Yeah, you get XP puddles when you die. We'll try and get a lot of cobblestone, so it'll be easier next time.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Hope this video is okay. Thanks for watching, and bye.
Goodbye.